I am the girl gardener and this is my cottage garden. I don't live in a cottage, it's just a cottage garden and it's 5 years in the making. It's January the 1st and I thought what better way to bring in the new year than by planting up a fruit tree. I didn't get a chance to plant this one when I planted out the 2 cherry trees, so I did leave it for today. Now we are due some frosts on Thursday of this week, so today's the perfect day to get it done, just in case the ground freezes over. And yes, I know that a shovel is not the right tool for this job, but my spade handle broke 5 minutes prior to this, completely snapped into two. So until I either repair it or buy a new one, it's shoveling time. As I was rummaging around in this garden bag that, to be fair, has had its day and needs to go in the bin, I did come across some forgotten potatoes that were in there. There weren't many and they're quite small, but hey, a win is a win, and that will go into my dinner. The seeds that I pre-germinated have been coming along really well. So I'm taking those that have germinated and potting them up into some coir compost, which has added NPK to give the little seedlings the nutrients that they need to grow on. I have to say, as exciting as new seedlings are, I'm not the best when it comes to handling them. Try as I might, my clumsy fingers will do some damage. And that's just one reason why I am a chronic oversower of seeds. If I lose some seedlings, at least I still have some more to fall back on. The idea when handling little seedlings is to hold them from the leaves and not the stem. But when I pre-germinate seeds like this, the roots often stick to the tissue, so I just do whatever works. Usually people take the seedlings off the heat mats to let them grow on once they're germinated, but I'll be waiting for mine to get a little bit bigger before I do that. For the time being, they will stay on heat mats and under grow lights as soon as I get the chance to take those out. I will keep you updated on how I get along with these seedlings. But that's all I've got time for this week. I really hope that you enjoyed watching. I hope you've had a very happy new year, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.